Hey Gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be discussing a very interesting topic on DIY car engine maintenance checklist. Have you ever wondered why some cars run smoothly for years while others start breaking down too soon? The secret often lies in one simple thing: regular engine maintenance. And here's the good news: you don't need to be a professional mechanic to keep your engine in top shape. Today, I'm going to walk you through a DIY car engine maintenance checklist that every car owner should know. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the exact steps to keep your car engine healthier, longer, and more efficient. So buckle up, let's dive in. Step 1. Check your engine oil regularly. Think of engine oil as the lifeblood of your car. It keeps the engine lubricated, prevents friction, and ensures smooth performance. Without it, your engine could overheat, seize up, or even die. Here's what to do. Pop the hood and pull out the dipstick. Wipe it clean, dip it back in, and pull it out again. Make sure the oil level is between the minimum and maximum marks. If the oil looks dark and dirty, it's time for a change. Remember, oil changes are usually due every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your car and oil type. Step 2. Inspect the air filter. Your engine needs clean air to breathe, just like you do. A clogged air filter can suffocate the engine, reduce fuel efficiency, and lower performance. Check your filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. If it's covered in dust and dirt, replace it. It's a quick fix that can instantly boost your car's health. Step 3. Coolant check. Engines generate a lot of heat, and that's where coolant steps in. It prevents overheating and protects the engine from extreme temperatures. Pop open the coolant reservoir. Make sure it's between the low and full marks. If it's low, top it up with the correct coolant mixture. But here's the golden rule: never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. You could burn yourself. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. Step 4. Inspect belts and hoses. Belts and hoses may not seem important, but they're the unsung heroes of your engine. The serpentine belt, for example, powers vital parts like your alternator and water pump. Look for cracks, fraying, or signs of wear. A snapped belt or burst hose can leave you stranded. Replace them at the first sign of trouble. Step 5. Battery check. Your battery powers the ignition system, and without it, your engine won't even start. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion, a white or greenish buildup. If you see it, clean it carefully with a mixture of baking soda and water. Also, make sure the battery is firmly secured and the cables are tight. Step 6. Spark plugs and ignition system. Spark plugs are tiny, but they pack a punch. They ignite the fuel and air mixture that powers your car. Worn-out plugs can cause rough idling, poor fuel economy, and hard starts. Check them every 30,000 miles or as your car manual recommends. Replacing them is often easier than you think, and it can restore your engine's smooth performance. Step 7. Keep an eye on engine lights. The dreaded check engine light might scare some drivers, but it's actually your car's way of asking for help. Don't ignore it. Sometimes it's a minor issue, like a loose gas cap. Other times, it could be something serious. If the light comes on, use an OBD2 scanner or head to a mechanic to find out what's wrong. Step 8. Regular fluid checks. Apart from oil and coolant, don't forget about transmission fluid. Keeps your gears shifting smoothly. Brake fluid ensures safe braking, and power steering fluid makes steering effortless. Top up or change these fluids when necessary. Bonus tip: listen and feel your car. Your car often tells you when something's wrong. Strange noises, vibrations, or smells are signals you shouldn't ignore. Catching issues early can save you thousands in repairs. Maintaining your engine isn't about being a pro mechanic, it's about being proactive. With this DIY checklist, you'll not only extend your car's life, but also save money, avoid breakdowns, and drive with peace of mind. So the next time you hit the road, you'll know your engine is running strong because you took care of it the smart way. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.